Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare chicken kassa. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: I have taken 1 kilo chicken with bones, washed them nicely, cut them into small pieces or medium sized pieces, salt as per our taste, 2 big tomatoes chopped, 2 onions sliced, big onions, 2 bay leaves. I'll be using mustard oil for cooking. This is garam masala powder. I'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 cup curd. This is 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Here I have taken 3 dried red chilies, 2 small cinnamon sticks and 5 cardamom. I have actually slitted them like this. So now let's start cooking. I'll be preparing my recipe in mustard oil. So the first step to prepare this recipe is I'm going to marinate this chicken. For marination, friends, I'll use all the dry spices: cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, the ginger garlic paste, the yogurt or curd, and I will mix this properly. Friends, I'm not adding the salt now. Salt and garam masala powder, I'm not going to add it now. So I'll just mix it first nicely. After the chicken is marinated, we will leave it aside for half an hour. So I'm going to leave this for half an hour. You can also marinate this overnight and keep. Here I am heating 3 tablespoons of mustard oil after half an hour. So now I have to cook the chicken. The marination process is done. So I'm heating 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. I will add the cinnamon sticks, the cardamoms, bay leaves, after a nice aroma comes out, I'm going to add the sliced onions. The dried red chilies, and now I will saute the onion till it becomes slightly translucent. Now friends, as you can see, our onion, it is nicely cooked. So now I am going to add the chicken, marinated chicken, to this recipe. Be careful. As the chicken pieces contain water, so be very careful while adding it to the pan. Now I will mix it. After mixing it properly, friends, I am going to add the chopped tomatoes. Now I am going to add the salt as per our taste. And then I will cover this and let the chicken get cooked in the juice only. After 5 minutes, you can see there's a lot of water coming out from the chicken. So I'll just mix it once. And now again we'll close the lid and let it get cooked for another 5 minutes. Now friends, I'll remove the lid. Here, as you can see, the water has dried up and now it's being cooked in the spice and oil. So I'm going to put the flame into medium, and now I am going to saute this and cook this chicken in this oil and spices for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of sauteing it in the oil, I am going to add a little bit of garam masala powder, one-fourth teaspoon, and friends, I am going to add a little bit of kasuri methi. This is optional. I'll mix it and cook for another 1 minute. So friends, here is our chicken kassa ready. I'm going to put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our chicken kassa ready, friends. Very simple recipe and very delicious. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.